If you love healthy breakfasts that are quick, delicious, and naturally sweet, this recipe is for you. Today, we're making carrot cake waffle breakfast sandwiches, a 5-minute morning boost packed with flavor, fiber, and energy. Let's start by toasting 2 whole-grain frozen waffles. Using whole-grain waffles gives this recipe more fiber, better texture, and a satisfying base for our filling. Next, spread 2 tablespoons of reduced fat cream cheese onto one of the waffles. This adds creaminess and that subtle carrot cake-style richness, but with fewer calories and less fat. Now the magic happens. Add half a cup of shredded carrot, 2 tablespoons of raisins, and 1 tablespoon of chopped walnuts. This combination brings natural sweetness, crunch, and a beautiful burst of color, plus vitamin A, potassium, and healthy fats. Finish the filling with a light drizzle of pure maple syrup, just 2 teaspoons. It enhances the carrot cake flavor without overpowering the sandwich. Place the second waffle on top and gently press. Your breakfast sandwich is now complete. And here it is. Or even 2 of them if you are sharing. A warm, delicious, nutrient-packed breakfast ready in just minutes. Perfect for busy mornings, healthy lifestyles, or anyone who loves carrot cake. Thank you for being part of the Smart Kitchen community. If you want more quick and healthy recipes like this one, don't forget to register and download your free recipe ebook. smartkitchen.vmbooks.com/free ebook. The link is on the description. See you in the next recipe. Your best mornings start here.